What is bingo? Oh, gringo. Bingo! Bingo!
Wow, we're allowed our phones on. Yeah, everybody.
Joke of the day, day 10. Where do cats go swimming? The kiddie pool.
Hey, Miss Harbley.
Nice of you to join us. You're very late.
What?
You're very late.
Oh, that clock's wrong. Wait. It needs new batteries, Miss Harbley. I'm gonna change the batteries for you. Hold on. Oh, this is one of them fancy clocks. Wait, what's that? It says record on it? Wait, what's that? Is that a Miss Harbley? Miss Harbley!